Welcome back to Learn English with Mr. J. I'm Mr. J, and today I'm not just going to teach you English. I'm here to guide you like a friend, someone who genuinely wants to see you improve and become a confident English speaker. Let me ask you something honestly. Have you always wanted to speak English, but somehow you feel held back? Maybe you understand a few words and sentences, but when it's your turn to speak, your mind suddenly goes blank. Do you feel nervous? Do you worry about making mistakes? Do you feel embarrassed when speaking in front of others? If your answer is yes, then today's lesson is especially for you. Today, we're not going to focus on complicated grammar rules. I'm not going to overload you with difficult vocabulary. Instead, I'm going to share a few simple yet powerful habits that can gradually transform both your English and your confidence. So imagine this. You and I are sitting together. Maybe you're relaxing on your bed. Maybe you're walking outside while listening to this lesson. Wherever you are, think of me as your personal English coach. No pressure, no stress. Just simple, practical learning. Now here's something important. Most people don't struggle with English because it's difficult. They struggle because they try to learn everything at the same time. Grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, fluency, listening, speaking. They try to master everything in one go. Eventually, the brain becomes overwhelmed and says, "This is too much," and that's when people give up. But today, we're going to do things differently. We won't rush. We'll move one step at a time, because slow progress is still progress. Lesson 1. Speak 5 simple sentences every day. Let me tell you one of the biggest secrets to speaking English confidently. You cannot become a good speaker unless you actually speak. It sounds obvious, but this is exactly where most learners make a mistake. They watch endless videos, they read books, they study grammar, they understand many lessons. But when it's finally time to speak, they stay silent. Why does that happen? Because speaking is a skill, and every skill improves only through practice. Think about riding a bicycle. You can watch hundreds of tutorials, but until you actually get on the bicycle, you'll never learn to ride. English works the same way. So here's today's challenge. Speak only 5 simple sentences every day. Not 50, not 20, just 5. Maybe you're thinking, Mr. J, only 5 sentences? Can something that simple really make a difference? Yes, it absolutely can, but only if you practice every single day. You can begin with sentences like these. I am learning English. I feel good today. I am trying my best. I am happy. I am ready. That's all. Simple, easy. Anyone can do it. Now here's where the real improvement begins. Don't say each sentence only once. Repeat every sentence 5 times. Even 10 times if possible. Say them clearly. Say them confidently. Say them aloud. Because repetition trains your brain, but speaking trains your mouth. And here's something I want you to remember. Don't practice only in your mind. Use your voice. Even if someone is nearby, find a quiet place. Go to another room. Walk outside. Stand on the terrace. Practice while taking a walk. Just keep speaking. Because confidence never comes from thinking. Confidence comes from taking action. Let me share something personal. When I first started improving my spoken English, I also felt nervous. I understood some English, but I was afraid to speak. I kept asking myself, what if I make mistakes? What if people laugh at me? Because of those fears, I stayed quiet for a long time. Then one day, I made an important decision. I told myself, enough is enough. I'm going to speak, even if my English isn't perfect. On the first day, I spoke only 1 sentence. I am learning English. My voice wasn't confident. In fact, it was shaking, but I spoke. The next day, I spoke 2 sentences, then 3, then 5. Little by little, something amazing happened. The first thing that improved wasn't my English, it was my confidence. And once confidence started growing, my English naturally began improving too. Remember, start small, but start today. Speak your 5 sentences, repeat them clearly, and watch your confidence grow. English is a skill, and you are building it one day at a time. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson where we'll dive into more habits for your fluency. Happy learning!